Good Monday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we are looking at a quiet start to the day. A little sunshine will be possible for at least a few hours before clouds begin to increase across here. We'll have coverage of cloud cover and thickening clouds heading into the afternoon as the storm system comes in from the southwest. And this isn't just any old storm system. This is going to be a big one, not necessarily with the biggest impact here, but it's not far from here. That is going to be a huge headache for a big part of the Midwest. Now, right now, looking outside this morning, it's about 20 minutes to 8 on this Monday. This is our Quality Group camera from Assisi Heights. We have some sun, we have some clouds outside right now. Temperatures in the single digits. A very cold morning by seasonal standards, even by January standards, a little bit colder than average. And we're looking at the possibility of reaching 20 later today. Not too bad, but tonight, that's when the snow begins to come in. We may have just a little bit to shovel for some spots. Not everybody will have to shovel, but about 2/3 of the area will have at least something in the way of measurable accumulation out of the storm system. As we're very much in the northern edge of the system as it's going to be coming in through the region. But right now, looking at the situation here for the day planner, sunshine, the clouds increasing, going to the afternoon, a high of 20, brisk northeast winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. They keep that wind chill in the single digits. Sunset at 5:11. Today, some sunshine to start the day, a little extra rime ice out there. Some of that ice buildup from that freezing fog. You see that in the trees. Everything's all bright and white from the overnight hours. That freezing fog from overnight really dissipating right now, though not extremely thick. Northeast winds light around 8 miles per hour, 7 below the wind chill. Across the map, you see how many spots are in the single digits. Here on the weather patio, it's right now 2 degrees, so a little bit colder than the airport. 6 degrees there at this hour, and south of the downtown, 12 degrees meanwhile in Mason City. There's that high pressure to the north that has been bringing us a quiet weather the past 24 hours anyway. Yesterday we had some sun. We'll have a little sunshine this morning with that, but the clouds streaming into the area from the southwest. That system's going to come in. Here it is on Futurecast, thickening clouds, and then we have that snow coming in for tonight. The heaviest snow will be south of us. In fact, this particular version of the computer model, it keeps it completely south, but I do think we're going to see some snow in North Iowa and even a little bit into southern Minnesota on Wednesday. Occasional sun and clouds as another system kind of grazes us to the south. But here's what we're expecting in the way of snowfall for today. 2 to 4 inches. Winter weather advisory is in effect from 6 this evening until 6 tomorrow morning for Mesa City, Charles City, New Hampton, Iowa, and westward toward Clear Lake. Those areas, 2 to 4 inches of accumulation just south of there. There's going to be a lot more snowfall. We're talking down toward Sheffield, even down toward Iowa Falls, and to get closer to Ames and, of course, Des Moines. That's where they're looking at the possibility of 10 to 14 inches of snowfall for the storm system late this afternoon through tonight. But for us locally, we're going to get a glancing blow from that. Rochester, I think maybe at most a light dusting. You could see conceivably if the thing shifts a little farther northward, maybe half an inch, but I think generally less than that here in Rochester area. Southward, closer to the Minnesota-Iowa border, about an inch, and again see an inch or two around Osage, Stacyville, eastward toward Cresco, and even toward Lime Springs, but 2 to 4 inches just south of there. So the computer models, they see what we're facing south of us. Less than an inch on southern Minnesota, northeast Iowa at 2 to 4 inches, but Des Moines, about a foot of snow out of the system. Going into midweek, another couple of disturbances graze the area, but at this point, no more than maybe a couple of flurries, maybe perhaps Thursday, with a better chance of some minor snowfall over the weekend. There's a chance that would be a wintry mixture changing to snow. That's still way down the road, but it'd be Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, maybe Sunday morning. Next precipitation, pretty decent shot of widespread precipitation anyway in our area. But for today, look for some sunshine at first. 20 in Rochester, 21 Austin, 23 in Charles City, and 25 in La Crosse, with brisk northeast wind up to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, light snow. We're looking at less than an inch on the Minnesota side of the border, but 2 to 4 inches in North Iowa, especially that second tier of counties. We're talking about Mason City, Charles City, eastward toward New Hampton and Fredericksburg, areas like that, and then areas southward we'll see even higher amounts than that. 10 degrees overnight, north winds up to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, some clouds, then gradual clearing, kind of a brisk northeast wind, and 21 the expected high in the mid part of the week. Cold sunshine. A couple of days we flirt with sub-zero weather Wednesday and Thursday mornings. Friday we start a warming process that carries us into the weekend. A little sunshine, 29 Friday afternoon. 7-day forecast We're looking at that wintry mixture on Saturday into Sunday. The chance of very light snow into Sunday morning, and then 20s for highs with some sunshine next week. Maybe another round of snow the end of next week. That's quite a ways off, but that's probably the next large system impacting us aside from this wintry mixture headed our way this weekend. Of course, we'll know more about the probability of measurable snowfall out of that, because it looks like right now it could be a little bit of both wintry mixture and a little bit of snow at times, so there could be some accumulation out of that. In the meantime, stay warm today as a cold one, but and of course stay tuned for some snowfall for tonight for much of the area, and have a great Monday. We'll see you back here tomorrow.